You guys know that I'm a fan of the electric pressure cooker. I got my very first one 2 years ago, and I have been totally and completely in love with them ever since. So when the people at Housmile contacted me about taking a look at their pressure cooker, I was on board because I love them, I love to test them, and I think they are a great multi-function appliance. And what they surprised me with is 2 of them. They sent me 2 different models of 6-quart pressure cookers for us to take a look at. So we're gonna unbox these babies. So join me as we take a look at these 2 Housmile electric pressure cookers. I just want to take this opportunity to thank Housmile for sending me these 2 pressure cookers. I was very surprised when these 2 showed up at my doorstep, and I am looking forward to checking these out. I believe the difference between the 2, they're both 6-quart, but one has a stainless steel inner pot and one has a non-stick inner pot. That's what I believe the difference are. And the release mechanism for the pressure is a little different. So I guess it's just a matter of preference which one you like. So this one here is the GC 4203 and this is the GC 4204. So let's open up first the GC 4203 just because it has a lower number, right? So let's get this baby open. So this one is the GC 4203. It is a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, saute, yogurt maker, steamer, and warmer. It is 6 quarts and it has a lot of presets on there that look pretty interesting. And it has a traditional release valve that I'm used to on some of the other cookers. So let's take a look at this baby. And the very first thing is we have a little thank you card with customer support. Here is the handbook. It has all your basic things about how to operate it. Even has a chart with times. Let's see what we got here. This looks like our power cord, which I really like because it looks like it has a release on it. And let's see what we got here. Wow. One thing I did find in here is this looks like the little valve for it. This is very nicely packaged. I want to cut the cooker. Wow. This is a nice looking cooker. So this is our little accessories here. We got a measuring cup. This is to collect your condensation. We have a little rice paddle and a little scoop. So this one here has the stainless steel inner bowl. Nice. Wow, it's nice and beautiful and shiny. Okay. that. That is one beautiful cooker right there. Look at that bad boy. So we have keep warm, rice, multigrain, porridge, slow cook. Here's your pressure, up and down, time settings, steam, saute, yogurt, meat, stew, and taste. I'm not sure what that is. So your pot goes in here. Wow, this is a beautiful, beautiful cooker. And we'll put the lid on. And this is our little valve here. So it tells you release and pressure. And let's plug this baby in. Ooh. So your lid goes on and off. And we're just going to like put it on saute, and it'll put the time that you want it on here. And then it goes. You obviously wouldn't have the lid on with that. Woo! Nice. So this one is the 4203. It's got the stainless steel inner pot, and this is how you release the steam on this one. So let's open the other one. So this is the 4204. I don't know about you guys, but I'm having a lot of fun. So here's our manual, and it's got a lot of the same stuff in it. And let's see what we got here. Woo! Wow. This is a nice cooker. Oh! Woo! Okay, let's open this bad boy. Wow. This is a beautiful cooker too. So please tear up this note before using. Okay. And this has a different release mechanism than the other one. The other one had it here. This one's nice because it's separate from where the steam is. So you release it using this button. And this is pressure, and this is release. Click release, and right? Let's see how this opens. Wow. And again, you have measuring cup. This is great for rice. You have your utensils. And wow, this one comes with a steamer rack, which is really nice. So this one has a non-stick inner pot, and it really is just your preference, what you like. If you like the non-stick inner pot, go for this one. If you like the stainless steel, go for the other one. So that goes on there. I'm going to put a lid on. Ooh. And plug it in, and this has a lot of the settings. So we have a keep warm, a rice, a cake setting, that's interesting, soup, beans, porridge, fish, ribs, poultry. You can just do it manual. And this is kind of interesting. I'm not exactly sure what that is. So here's our settings. So if we want to make, we can just go pressure setting, put our time in here. There it goes. It's going to come up to pressure. So we have the Housmile 4203 and the 4204. The difference is stainless steel inner pot, non-stick inner pot. This one has this type of valve. This one has a push here valve. Just a matter of preference. They're both beautiful cookers. I just want to take this opportunity to thank Housmile for sending me these cookers. I'm looking forward to using them. If you like this video, please subscribe below and leave me a comment and a like. Visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest at Amy Learns to Cook. So I just want to take this opportunity to thank Housmile for sending me these pressure cookers.
Did you say to think or to thank?
Thank.